need to fear no one because I'm protected by the Most High. I see them coming after my soul, wanting to take control, wanna give me locks, wanna give me blick, wanna give me all the material things. I hear them talking now, what the world has to offer. Girl, can't you see what they have done to beg my cause? Jesus and I are prophet, but I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid. No, no, I'm not afraid. What tell them say? If them not come, let them come, 'cause I'm protected by the Most High. They don't mind who when you fall behind and can't pay your bills on time. You're prostituting and standing in a them government line. No, they don't mind who when you waste your time coming up with some stupid rhyme, influencing the youth that is not a line or take a line. And you know what? They don't mind when you're locked up in jail, can't get no bail, sentence of life. Can't see the youth them strive. They don't mind. But I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid. No, no, I'm not afraid. If them a come, let them come, 'cause I'm protected by the Most High. A special person passed away in reggae music. And when he passed away, I feel like reggae music is a big old boulder, big stone, you know? Peter Morgan, fly. And him say, look on the gully side, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? Look on the only child, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? And then the next man said, me never lost my way. Me never turn fool when I reach the crossroad. Me never lost my way. And let me tell them, say, no, I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid. No, no, I'm not afraid. If them a come, let them come, 'cause I'm protected by the Most High. If them a come, let them come, I'm protected by the Most High. If them a come, let them come, I'm protected by the Most High. Most High One. I've got one more for you before I go. You ready for me, boy? A lot of people like to talk, you know? Best when them a talk, what we do? We make them talk, don't it? People talk, that's what they do. They don't understand how we still are push up the truth. Yes, they laugh. What they do? They call me names. But tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. And then tonight with me tonight, if I didn't do a song called Roots, a song that I wrote in 2006, maybe 5. And if you're ready for your roots, if you say yeah! All right? Chop it. You ready? Them can't take a soul in her. So you be them. So you miss you. Yeah. So you lock them down and you think that you want, but we all love it. Oh, deny creation. We are from the Rastafari, and I live upright. So tell me where you are gonna do. Hey, tell me where you are going. Tell me what you gonna do now. Not me, you, I want everyone. More than carrots, I love time. Yeah, they can't hide the truth from the youth. Yeah, they can't see the fruit, not the root. Oh, not the youth, I want them. I represent them now. I love time. Yeah, they can't hide the truth from the youth. Yeah, they can't steal the fruit, not the root. Oh, not the youth, I want them. Rule. Yeah. I love you. Thank you so much. Put your hands together, Tommy Timmy, now giving out a tall Tommy. Beautiful, and she has decided to go with the acoustic vibe. You feel that, right? Different. And we love that. Thank you so very much, musician.